record. Okay. So actually, you have the Facebook ID, right? So the thing is, when you open the now, I will show you how to add the amount in Facebook Ads Manager, right? You know how to add the money in Ads Manager? Okay, I will show
I haven't
you.
done any time.
Okay, I will show you that, right? So see, this is my Facebook ID. See this. See here. Where are you seeing?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this is my Facebook ID, Ranjana, right? When you open your Facebook ID, you will see here Ads Manager. Can you check parallelly? Can you able to see this Ads Manager?
I'll just check. I'm just doing that.
Yeah.
So that is at the which side? Which side it is?
Facebook. Just open your Facebook ID.
Facebook page I have opened.
Not
So
page.
here it
ID.
is.
ID. Not page. ID. Just open www.facebook.com. Or else I have sent you one link in WhatsApp. You can just click on that link also. Facebook.com/ads manager.
Yeah.
Uh, can you able to open that ads manager link?
Go to Ads Manager, right?
Yeah. Okay. So when you open that ads manager, generally what
Yes.
happens now, Ranjana, when you hire a agency, so they will take amount from you. Okay, so 2000, 5000, and they will tell they will add that amount to the ads manager, right? But sometimes what they will do is they will charge you 5000 and they will add only 3000, 4000. You can't be able to track, you can't be able to know how much they have added, right? So that will happen. That is why I'm showing you, you should add amount for your marketing, right? So when you add this one, so you will see this left side 3 lines. Yeah, click on that
Yes, that is
lines.
account, ID, status, and spend. Right?
No, you will somewhere you will see billing like this. Here I am seeing here in drop down. You may see here also. Just click on billing, or else you send me the screenshot in WhatsApp. I will show you where is the billing.
Yeah. Yeah, I got billing.
Yeah, click
Shortcut.
on billing. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And right side top, you will see add funds.
Payment setting.
Yeah, payment setting. You are saying payment setting. Below that, you will see add funds.
Add account.
Add account. It is showing. After that, what it is showing?
Add account number and current balance 0.
Okay, whatever it may be. So it will show you all these options, Ranjana. See here, debit card and credit card, UPI, Paytm, and networking, right? Net banking. Can you able to see Paytm in your screen?
Yes. Just one. Yes.
Yeah. So if the
Payment
Paytm
method.
option is there, try to add amount through Paytm only. Don't give any debit, credit card, UPI and net banking, right? So mobile wallets is always safe, because though the GST is high, there is no risk in that, because you will be adding only 2000, 3000 in the mobile wallets, right? But debit card, credit card and bank details you should not give. 99% never give the bank. Try to add amount through mobile wallets only, because in case if something happened, if you lose anything, you will be losing only little amount, whatever you put in Paytm or mobile wallets, right? That is the reason. Click on Paytm, click on Paytm, and then you will see add funds button.
Here it is not transaction detail is there.
Okay, it is showing transaction details. When you click,
Transaction ID. Transaction ID is there. Transaction date.
it will show, it will go to once you select Paytm and click on add funds, it will show this page.
Where I have to click for add funds?
Down the Paytm, just can you send me the screenshot? First time you are
Yeah.
adding now, so it will be little different. Now don't add the funds, I will show you later, you can add the funds.
See, can you see?
No. So whatever the device you are using, in that you are not opening the Facebook, because I can give you the screen share option. You can show me your screen. Shall I give you the screen share option? Yeah, if you want, you can share the screen.
Yeah, can you see now my page?
Uh,
No.
in this mobile, whatever you are using, in that you are not opening. So you add funds. What else it is showing? Transaction, and what is that blue color button?
Apply filter.
No need to
Apply.
apply for filters. What else it is
Select value.
showing?
Select value. Select value. Payment status.
No. Select value. When you select the option, then it will show you the select value. Okay, just type 100 rupees in select value.
Apply to invoice, bank refund, pay. Value 100 rupees option is not there. Payment method, amount.
Payment method. Payment method.
Now it is clear. So
Uh,
now how much should I add? 100?
100.
What do you say?
Anyhow, you are not going to add anything. Just rough 100. Click type 100.
Greater than. Okay.
Okay. And next, what it is showing?
Not showing anything.
Are you opening in iPad?
No, it's laptop.
Then why can't you open a Zoom in that laptop only, so that you can share the screen?
Okay,
Our,
I'll log in from
yeah,
laptop.
yeah. Okay. Can you able to see this screen, Ranjana? This is the screen you should get. Here you are, I think you are selecting these transactions and filters, right? In the top side right corner, right side top corner, top, you will find this add funds.
Right side, add account. Huh.
This side, right side, blue color button, add funds. If you are not seeing that one, then you can share the screen. You are not seeing? Okay, 1 minute. I will give you the option to share the screen. 1 minute. Yeah, now you can share the screen.
Oh, yeah.
You will see the share screen button down or top next to chart participants. Share screen just to see all the options. Mic, stop video, security, participants. You need to first open the Facebook window and then click on screen share. You will see all the windows like how you see in Google Meet. So click on Facebook thing.
Yeah, Facebook I have clicked.
And here first you should click on screen share. Share screen.
Okay,
share screen.
Share screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. This is your page. Go to how that billings page. You can open that billings. Click on facebook.com/ads manager. Facebook.com/
No, I have done that.
Yeah, ads manager, right?
This is admin.
Here billing and just go top, just scroll up. I am unable to see the full page. Top side, whatever it is there, I am unable to see. Okay,
this is only in top.
Okay, just click on that into marks. You have filtered something near. Yeah, just click on into. Yeah, into. Yeah. So payment method and go up, scroll up. Yeah. So update your okay, current balance is 0. Payment settings. Payment settings, just that arrow is there. Next payment settings, just click on that arrow. Right side. You will see a small button. Yeah. So only this one, right?
Yeah.
So 1 minute, come down. Where is that ad? Click on learn more. Here, updates to your attribution settings. Yeah, learn more. Done. No, again go to ads manager.
Back.
Ads manager. You know, here that window is there already. Ads manager. Yeah. So click on just into close this updates. Okay. Click on payment settings.
Payment settings. Status.
Top payment settings.
Achha, okay. Yeah.
Click on payment settings. Mine is few years back old account. So first time when we do, what will happen? I forgot totally, and every time Facebook will change all these things. So here add payment method.
Achha, payment setting, and here I have to add payment.
Next time it will automatically it will show this window only. Don't worry.
Because I have never gone through this page now. That's why it's completely new to me.
Yes. No, I understand. Add payment method. Right side. Yeah. Click on that add payment method. Yeah. Okay. So select Paytm. Don't select any other option. Right. Select Paytm. Right side. Yeah. Now come down. Click on next, or what is that button? Blue color button. Next. 1 minute. I have an okay. Fine. No problem. Don't add 1,000 rupees. First time you are doing. Not now. After we close the session, I will send you this recorded video. So add 500 only. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now 100 should I add?
Yeah, 100. Yeah, 100. Yeah, check.
Okay. Next.
It will ask your phone number and then, yeah, come down. Come down.
You can add fund, you need to enter the information below.
No need,
GST
no
number,
need.
PAN number.
No, we don't have
No.
anything.
Okay. Then
Come down. Business name, something if you want, you can give some business name.
Soul Fitness.
Or else, yeah, something, some
The name of the company, right?
Yeah. Have you registered that company?
No, not registered.
Then something you can give. Seat address, something Mumbai, something you can give. Country and pin code.
Okay.
Okay.
Country, India.
Country, region. I think you can select Bombay or something. Some select Gujarat or something you can select and see, for example. But later you select Bombay. Only one time it will show. Select the correct one, Ranjana. Select the correct one. Not Gujarat. Select Bombay. You are in Mumbai, right? Yeah, select Mumbai. I have done all these things in 2013 like that, it seems. I forgot totally.
Okay. So now you're not doing all this?
No, it's already set. Everything is set. Now it will not show this page. Directly adds page. Click on save.
Okay. Save.
If it takes, fine. Or else we need to fill all the options. Yeah, go up something. It is showing error, I think. It is not saving.
Street, Asha, business name. And street.
Some street one, no, something. Yeah. Okay, click on save. Scroll up. Just scroll up. Maybe upside it is showing some, yeah, here. Just click that button. Just click that button. Checkbox. That checkbox. Yes, checkbox. Now it will take. Yeah, save. Refresh page. Please enable pop-ups. Something, yeah. So in your window, right side top, next, just before that star, that red color dot is there now. Not this page, top of the window, this address bar, Google address bar, right side, right, top, ekdam top. Yeah, yeah, a little bit left. Upper you are seeing that star, na? No, not here. Ekdam address bar. Come down, right side, address bar, right side. For you, which is the right side? Right side.
This is right side for me. This side.
Move the cursor to right side. Right side. Top.
For me, this is right.
Yeah, whatever you are showing that cursor, that is fine. Go up.
Like refresh this page.
No, it will not. It is showing the pop-ups. We should enable the pop-up, right? So yeah. Hey, there only. Yeah. Don't close anything. Here, just down that one red color button you are seeing now. Down that. Yeah. Click on that. Click on that. Yeah. Click on that and enable pop-ups. Always allow. Yeah. Select the upper one.
Always allow the pop-ups. Yeah.
And done. And refresh. Refresh this page.
Okay. Not good. I've just left all this now, so even I forgot everything.
Yeah.
That pop-ups are here. Okay. Yeah. The scan.
Generally, we will not read. Wait.
Okay.
Now what it will do is it will ask your phone number. Okay. So whatever the phone number you have Paytm, you should give that phone number and it will send OTP to your phone number. Once you enter the OTP, it will show the balance in your Paytm. And what are the amount you are telling Facebook to deduct from Paytm, that amount it will deduct after you give the OTP. Okay. I will show till OTP. You should do it later. Waiting for response.
Okay.
Or else you can just to close that add funds window and again you can do.
Yes, I got the OTP.
OTP. So your account is already connected with this.
I don't know.
Don't add anything now. Don't give OTP now.
Okay.
Waiting for response. Where is the option for OTP? Just close this window and next to add funds there is one into button, right? Just close that one.
Close this one.
Not one. Add funds. This small window na
Yeah.
next to add funds, that into button is there na, right side. Close this add funds window. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Again go to add payment method. Add payment button, right side. Yeah. Click on that. Okay. Paytm. Select Paytm. Remove 1,000 rupees. Just add 100 rupees. The minimum amount is 75 rupees. You should add actually. Paytm. Select Paytm.
Okay.
Okay. And add funds. Again you will get OTP, it seems. First time you are doing na, so all these things will happen. But you should learn all these things because in future also you will be doing campaigns, right? So you should know all these things.
Yes. So proceed.
Where is the proceed? There is no proceed. Just first time you are doing na, so it will happen like that only. Again evening you try to do this one, right?
Yes.
So this is the process how to add the amount, right? Now close this window, add funds window.
Okay.
Close this. Yeah. Not this red color. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Close. Close. And again go to the 3 lines, left side 3 lines. Left side. Ekdam left side. That home button is there na. Left side bar. Yeah. Click on 3 buttons. Yeah, 3 lines. Okay, so we will do campaign clicking on ads manager. Okay, the first option is no need to click that one, later you can check. So we will do campaigns, we will design campaigns and everything here. Okay, so you can check that campaigns. Now open your Facebook page, whatever which page we are going to do marketing, that page. Yeah, so come down. Okay. Are you not the admin for this page? This is not the page.
Yeah, actually, this is not that page. The page is different.
The do you want me to show from my page? You just close the screen share. I will show from my page from where you should collect the leads.
Okay. Okay.
You can later, once we run the campaign, you can check from your page. You know, I'm sending this video. Stop screen share.
Yeah.
1 minute. I will show. So this is my ads manager account. Okay. So this is ads manager. When I click on ads manager, all the campaigns, whatever the campaigns I design, I run for the clients, all those campaigns I can see here. Now account error means there is no amount in my account. Okay. The panel will look like this, right? So now I'm opening the page. Okay, I will open one page. These are all the pages I'm handling for the client. Okay, so this is the page. Okay, and click on, when you open your Facebook page, okay, this is my page. Okay, not client page, this is my page, and left side you will see publishing tools. Okay, click on publishing tools. Okay, and here come down, you will see forms library. Okay, now we are doing lead generation campaign for your business, right? So whatever the leads we collect, we design the form, right? From ads manager, we will design the campaign. When the campaign runs, if anybody interested, they will fill the form, right? So all that information we can see from here, form library in your page. Form, these are all the forms already we have done, right? Here you will see your forms. Okay, when you click on download, you can download the leads. Okay, these are all the forms. Now all the leads have been expired. Actually here 23 expired, 5 expired, so that's why it is showing 0, right? But for you, if it is fresh, means it will show how many leads we have collected. Everything will be here. Generally the agency people will download the leads and send it to the clients, right? Parallelly you can cross check how many leads really we got. What agency people will do is, they will do the campaign for, I told you now 5,000 you are giving, they will do the campaign for 1,000, 2,000, and they will tell all the known source to fill the known source phone numbers and details, and they will give to the client. So little fraud will happen. So to cross check really we are getting the leads or not, you can check from here. If the campaign runs, it will show to the customer or clients. When they fill up really, truly, if they fill the form, then only it will come here. Okay, so no chances of fraud if you cross check here. This is the thing I want to show it to you, Ranja. That's it.
Okay, so from download, I can from download I can know that how many
Yes.
forms have been filled up.
Yes. If you click on download, yeah, you can download new leads. Any leads already yesterday you got 5 leads and you have downloaded, right? Now if you get 2 leads, it will show 2 new leads. If you want to download all the leads from the starting, you need to click on here. So again from the starting, it will show all the leads. Okay, so that's the thing, Ranjana. We will design the campaigns. Meanwhile, what are the campaigns? And if you have good photographs of yoga, you said back pain and some other thing, right? So she created some poster, but for the back pain, what is the poster? Some posters will be, with that poster, if we can able to create some creatives, that will give more weightage. So if you have, give us real photos, or else she need to download from we had paid for few websites and we can get royalty free images also, but instead that if we can get your photos, that will be better. Okay, so she will take today's time and she will create the images, and with keywords she need to create the content also, and she should design the form. And then once we submit that ad to the Facebook will take 1 day or 2 days to approve. Then it will run. Yeah. Okay. And you can, from ads manager, you can check how much money we have spent and how much GST Facebook is cutting, everything, deducting everything. You can check from ads manager. Once we run the campaign, I will show you one day how to check that one also. Okay.
Yeah, I got this.
Yeah,
I got this. I'll just check again. So it registered, because once seeing it, I'll just check this again one time.
Yeah, I will send you this video so that you can check again. After we run the campaign, I will teach you how to cross check the amount also. Okay, that will be useful for you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
See you tomorrow in the class.
Today there is no class now.
Today and tomorrow morning.
Today there is no class now.
Evening is there 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is
tomorrow there. I'm going for vaccination, Ranjana. Maybe I may not.
Second dose.
Second dose.
Second dose.
Yeah.
So today evening 7:15 is there.
Okay, but I have class.
If you want to join, then try.
I have class, and I am from next week again new batch. I'm designing all the points. I need to send to them points what all I am going to teach them, so that they should cross check. I told them to cross check with the different agencies and come back to me. So I'm doing that one evening again, demo classes.
Okay.
I will join on Friday. Okay, chalo.
Okay, bye. Fine. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye. 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 Thank you so much. Bye.